Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. So we had this crazy windstorm, and I had this sunshade out in my backyard to protect the dogs when it was raining, so that they would go outside and go potty. And this thing got just shredded in the wind, got totally destroyed. So there's $300 down the drain. But we're gonna use this. We're gonna salvage it because it's a pretty good tough material, and I thought that it'd be really cool to make some castle banners for the front of the house. I've got some posts out front that hold another sunshade for my truck, and I think it would be really cool to turn this into some castle banners with a cool sigil and just for fun, whatever. So this thing is 16 by 20 monster tarp. We're gonna cut it up and put some art on it. There you go. Now I've got two banners that are 2.5 feet by roughly 7 feet long. I haven't quite decided on the shape that I'm going to do on the bottom. On this top edge, I'm going to hem it over and then fold it again and sew it down so that we have a channel here for the rod to hold it up. And then we're going to paint it and basically be done. It's going to be a really easy project. So I hit a bit of a snag. Was going to use my Cricut to print this guy and iron it onto there, but don't have enough vinyl for that, so we're stuck with a different option. I'll show you why. So we had a bit of an ice storm the other day, Today we had an ice storm.
It's kind of raining still.
And it's still raining. Everything's icy. Roads are icy, which is no big deal, right? Because, like, whatever, man. I lived in Alaska. I know how to drive on ice, but I don't trust all these other people around here to drive on ice, so I'm not going out there. So we're stuck at home for the whole weekend because it's going to be
for 4 days.
Like 8 degrees, and this ice is not going to melt for a while. And my neighbor's trees went down, right? Those trees fell down.
So we get off of school.
School's canceled. Kids are home. So I'm doing this project to, kill the weekend. So I can't necessarily run to the store and buy more vinyl to do this project. So the plan is I'm gonna hang this guy in the window, trace it onto there with a pencil, and then just paint it freehand with some white acrylic and decorate it and spray paint it. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, you'll see how that goes. All right, I'm set up my patio door with my stencil. It just so happened to work out that I just threw it up there, and then when I lined up the center line of the image with the center line of the fabric, it ended up being right on the edge of the vinyl, which is pretty nice. And then all I did was put a little piece of electrical tape up here as reference, so that when I put up the next one, because I'm making 2 of these, that it'll go up in the same spot, so that spacing up there will be the same on both of them. So we're just going to trace this out with a pencil and go from there. When you just want to get something done and you don't feel like setting up the camera and recording it? This is one of those times.